Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of writing for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. We have started with the 5th chapter from syllabus, that is server-side scripting with PHP. In last lecture we have seen introduction to a PHP and what is a server-side scripting. So today we will discuss features of PHP. See, PHP is the most popular and frequently used worldwide server-side scripting language, and because it has some features that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so PHP is the most popular and frequently used server-side scripting language, and its features are: first one is a simple, that is, this PHP language is a very simple and easy to use as compared to other scripting languages. As we know, other scripting languages are like JSP, ASP, Java, Python. PHP is a simple one and easy to use as compared to other scripting languages, server-side scripting languages. Second feature of PHP is that interpreted. That means this PHP language is a interpreted language. That is, there is no need for a compilation of the code written in a PHP. So PHP is a interpreted language. Then next feature is a faster. That is, PHP is faster than other scripting languages like JSP, ASP. So rather than other scripting languages, PHP is the faster one. That is, code written with a PHP will execute more faster than that of other scripting languages. Next feature is the open source. That means you can download PHP freely. You do not have to pay for the using PHP. So you can freely download it and use it. It is a open source language. Then PHP is a platform independent. That means it is not necessary to run PHP on a Windows only or on a Linux only. It runs on a different platforms like Linux, Unix, Ubuntu, Mac, Windows. So it supports the different operating systems, and that's why it is a platform independent. Then next feature is that it is a case sensitive. That means PHP is a case sensitive server side scripting language. But the declaration of variables is case sensitive. That is, while declaration of variables and its use in the program, the PHP is a case sensitive language. Capital variable and small variable, that is, suppose a var small a and var capital A will be treated differently. That is, in case of declaring a variables, PHP is a case sensitive scripting language. But in all keywords like if, else, while, for, echo, classes, functions, user defined functions, these all are not treated as a case sensitive. That is, those are not case sensitive. See, in case of case sensitivity, PHP is not case sensitive in all keywords, classes, functions, user defined functions, but PHP is a case sensitive scripting language while declaring the variables in a program. Then next feature is that error reporting. That is, PHP have some predefined error reporting constants to generate a warning or error notice. So while writing a code, while executing a code with PHP, it has some predefined error reporting constants to generate the error and warning notices. So that is one of the feature of PHP. See, by using this feature, user will understand more easily which kind of error it is. He can get a warning related to it. Okay, so that is a feature of PHP. Then next feature is real-time access monitoring. PHP provides access logging by creating the summary of recent accesses for the user. So it creates the summary of recent accesses, and PHP provides access logging with the help of that recent accesses for the users. So that is again one of the feature of PHP. And the last one is that loosely typed language. See, PHP supports variable usage without declaring its data type. That is, you only declare a variable with variable name, but it is not necessary to specify a data type associated with it. It will be taken at the time of execution based on the type the data has its value. That is, if suppose you store a integer type of value 10, 11, then its data type will be of integer type automatically. It will be considered automatically. You need not you are not forced to declare a data type at the time of declaring that variable. So we can say PHP is a loosely typed language. Since the data types are not set in a strict sense, we can do the things like adding a string to an integer and it will not give you any error set. So that is without causing an error. See, if you have declared a variable at the time of declaring variables or declare a data type, then variable a is of suppose integer type and variable b is of suppose string type, then if you try to add those variables, those two variables, then it will give you an error message. But in case of PHP, you are not declaring a data type at the time of declaring the variable. It is taken automatically after specifying the value to that variable, and that's why you can perform operation like adding string to an integer and it will not give you an error. So these are the different features of PHP. Like, it is a simple, interpreted, faster, it is open source language, it is platform independent, case sensitive, it has a error reporting facility, real time access monitoring, and PHP is a loosely typed language. So note down all these features in your notebook. Thank you.